Hi children. On last class we discussed about the topics adjacent angles and linear pair angles. What do you mean by adjacent angles? An angle such that they have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Such pairs of angles are called adjacent angles. And what do you mean by linear pair angles? A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Today, through this video, we are going to discussing about the topic vertically opposite angles. Look at the angles formed when two lines intersect each other. The line AB and SR intersect at the point M. Four angles are formed at the point of intersection. Point of intersection M is the common vertex of the four angles. Label the angles as angle W, angle X, angle Y and angle Z. Angle W and angle Y are vertically opposite angles. Also, angle Z and angle X are vertically opposite angles. Which angles are in a linear pair? Angle W and angle Z are adjacent angles. Angle W and angle Z are in a linear pair. So, measure of angle W plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle W plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair angles. Consider it as equation number 1. An angle Y and angle Z are in a linear pair. So they are also supplementary angles. So measure of angle Y plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree. That is equation number 2. From equation 1, we get measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus measure of angle W. Consider it as equation number 3. And from second equation, we get measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus measure of angle Y. That is equation number 4. Now consider equation 3 and equation 4. Measure of angle Z is equal 180 minus measure of angle W and measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus measure of angle Y. So we can also equate measure of angle Z. 180 degree minus measure of angle W is equal to 180 degree minus measure of angle Y. Therefore, measure of angle W is equal to measure of angle Y. Opposite angles angle W and angle Y are equal. That means the vertically opposite angles are equal. Here, angle W and angle Y are vertically opposite angles. In the same way, vertically opposite angles, angle Z and angle X are equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. If measure of angle W is equal to 60 degree, Find measures of other angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Here, measure of angle W and measure of angle Y is equal to 60 degree. Since both the angles are vertically opposite angles, angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. That means its sum is 180 degree. So, measure of angle W plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree. That means 60 degree plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree. From this, we get measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. We know that the vertically opposite angles are always equal. So, measure of angle Z is equal to measure of angle X. That means measure of angle X is equal to 120 degree. So, these are the measures of the angles. Measure of angle Z is equal, measure of angle X is equal 120 degree. And measure of angle Y is equal to measure of angle W is equal to 60 degree. Look at this figure and mark the remaining angles. Angle AMS is vertically opposite to angle RMB. Therefore, measure of angle RMB is equal, measure of angle AMS is equal 55 degree. Angle AMR and angle RMB are in a linear pair. Measure of angle AMR plus measure of angle RMB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle AMR plus 55 degree is equal 180 degree. From this, measure of angle AMR is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree is equal to 125 degree. Angle AMR and angle SMB are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, measure of angle AMR is equal, measure of angle SMB is equal to 125 degree. Thus, we have the measures of all the angles. Measure of angle AMR is equal, measure of angle SMB is equal to 125 degree. Measure of angle AMS is equal, measure of angle RMB is equal to 55 degree. Did you understand vertically opposite angles? Yes.